Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today I will talk about how you can automate your workflows and your videos and their uploading on repurpose.io. So, it is very simple. All you have to do is you have to create your workflow. When you create your workflow, you can choose whether you have to add source file, for example, the source website as YouTube, and the destination where you want to upload YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want. So, you select the connection. You choose either you want to do YouTube as a source, you want to do Instagram as a destination. Now, what you have to do is when you create the workflow, you will name the workflow. You'll have to choose the source. You have to do the action. When you do the sources, you choose if it's a YouTube short, if it's regular video. When you complete the process, when you add the connection, you have all the connections ready with you. Your workflows are running like this. What you will see in this one, you you will see the auto publish. This is the most important one. All you'll have to do is push this button. You will click on it, and you will see future content, existing content. Now you will click on existing content or future content. For example, if you already have the content, you can just auto publish them. Or if there is a content that you're gonna post in the future, you can click on that, and then you will have to enable automation. Now, Repurpose will create automated uploaded videos for you. It is very simple and very easy. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.